Hey, I'm Yanis, and I've built a few Slack apps and want to share my best practices. If you are a developer looking to build and publish your own Slack app, but you want to avoid the hassle of setting everything up from scratch, I want to show you how I did it with my own Slack starter kit. The boilerplate is built with Slack's development framework called Bolt.js, which handles all the communication with the Slack app. I've added TypeScript, and it also supports auto restart on save for better developer experience. The project has a few default packages like Prettier, ESLint, and .env, and I'm also using Winston for logging and Sentry for error reporting. Directory structure is really important, so I've used the default listeners folder to handle all the communication from Slack, actions, events, options, and view callbacks. I've also extracted all the views, so the UI, to the views folder, and I'm using the Slack BlockKit UI here, which handles all the different platforms, and it's a JSON file. I've also added support for database. Currently, I support Postgre with TypeORM, with models and services, but you can use any other database you want. For deployment, since this is a Bolt.js and it's an Express-like framework, I'm just using a Docker file which runs the node command. Later, I want to enhance this with some better deployment options like Terraform. In the next few weeks, I will add support for payment as well, so with Stripe and Lemon Squeezy, and this will be ideal for Slack apps that require a paid plan. I've also used AI a lot with the Cursor AI editor, and I'll add some good defaults for prompting the Claude model. Let me know what you think about this boilerplate and if you would use it to build Slack apps. If I get enough responses, I will publish this as a GitHub project. Thank you.